is they got a fence around the entire perimeter, and outside of it, it's a large. Why was she feeling so much better?
John is not a candidate again.
Todd's Dirt, go check him out. It sure does smell good. Oh my God. Dude, that's good. That's a good piece of sausage. Come here. Oh man.
I smell it. It smells good.
Good gosh almighty, that tastes good.
Your hands clean? Oh my, it does smell good.
No, that ain't quite ready. Hang on.
You know it's red. I don't want to sit.
Should have a little red.
I'll bet it, man. What you took? What is that?
One of my
I can smell it.
One of my viewers that watches my videos sent me this Todds Dirt. I think the guy owns the company. Smell it. And he
Well, I don't need to smell. I can smell that.
Oh my gosh, that stuff smells kind of good. I'll be calling him up, getting a big bottle of that.
I agree. I have to say that's a killer. Is this your truck?
Yeah.
That's your new truck.
Yep.
Y'all say you did yet?
Not yet. Trying to.
Oh yeah, that's nice. Still got the Toyota, but it's mine.
Whatever.
You want glass?
Whatever. Okay. I'll put as many miles on that truck as you put on your Toyota, I assure you.
Let me have a piece.
Hang on.
It's good enough. I ain't gonna be sick.
Hang on, dude. It's piping hot. Let it cool.
I'll come back and get it.
Just for a minute. Hey, bring me a bowl. Bring me a bowl to put the sausage in. Probably. Todd's Dirt. Good day in the morning, boy. Good gracious, man. That's good. That's a good piece of sausage, isn't it?
I don't normally eat a lot of sausage, but I'll eat that sausage.
That's right.
Man, that's so good.
Jimmy Dean sausage with Todd's Dirt on the Blackstone Griddle.
Yeah. Made some steaks we made the other night.
Oh God, I love steaks on it.
Little crunchy cereal on it.
Oh Lord.
Juicy inside.
Yeah, shut your mouth. Good grief.
We'll leave out and clean it up.
Just
Put
enough.
enough to put the eggs in, you know, a good sized bowl. Yeah, I should have been careful. Yep. Did they bring you another bowl out?
No, but you better go get it.
Fortnite is life. How many eggs is this?
4 dozen. No, but I cook 2 dozen at a time.
Yeah.
2 dozen at a time.
You never had Pete and Gerry's eggs?
Oh gosh, they're so good.
Where you get them?
Walmart.
Watch it. Don't get too close.
Eden, back
All right,
up
bring
and
me
back.
the bowl.
Eden Walmart has them in Greensboro. Not sure if Greensboro. Hey, not sure about Greensboro.
I don't like eggs.
Yeah, but
The Gerry.
Pete and Gerry.
Pete and Gerry eggs.
They'll be organic.
Pete and Gerry eggs, Wright brand bacon,
They about $4 something a dozen. $3 or $4 a dozen.
Yeah.
Jimmy Dean sausage, and Todd's dirt seasoning, and a Blackstone Griddle. You'd be right.
2 o'clock. Night shift comes out.
All right, there you go. Merry Christmas.